project guidelines are clear to everybody in English? What you have to do, how you have to do, is that clear? And it is it interesting also? Yes or no? Interesting and fun? Okay. Now, now in maths we have to do project. As I told you, in all the subjects we have to do projects. So today we are going to discuss about the projects only. So now this is our maths class, and in maths also we are going to do project of same 3 pages. First page will be common, where you have to write the school name, your name, teacher name, topic name, subject name, your roll number, your class. That page will be same. Now here in maths we are going to take the topic population and literacy rate of Meghalaya. As I told you, we are covering which state? We are covering Meghalaya. So now in English we have taken famous poet of Meghalaya. In maths we are going to take the population and literacy rate of Meghalaya. Means what is the population rate of male and female? What is the ratio between male and female? Plus what is the ratio of education literacy between male and female? Now here what you have to do is, again I'm going to give you a pie chart. You all know how a pie chart looks like. It is a round figure in which few divisions are there, different colored divisions are there, which shows different percent of literacy rate or population rate or whatever data is there. Okay, so I am going to show you the image. Now it is up to you whether you want to draw that pie chart or you want to stick the picture. Okay, if you want to stick the picture, then take out the printout of that pie chart and cut it and stick. Or if you want to draw the pie chart, you are very good in art and you want to draw the pie chart, you can also draw it and label it as it is given in the picture. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the PDF of maths where there will be one pie chart about population, then there will be written material. So on the left hand side, you will stick the picture of pie chart of population, and on the right hand side of the page, you will write about that population introduction. Then on the next page you will stick the picture of the literacy rate pie chart, and then you will write about the literacy and education of Meghalaya people. And you know, Meghalaya people are also very literate. 92% of men are literate and 89% of women are literate, means educated. So they are very educated people. Is that clear? Same thing you have to do in maths also as you did in English. Project will be of total 3 pages. First page will be common, that is introduction. Second and third page will be about your topic. Clear? Any doubt? Anything that you want to ask? And yes, you can use any pen. You can use blue pen, black pen, you can use glitter pen, you can use sketch pens to write, but make sure it does not get hodgepodge. I want very neat work. You can do the outlining also, you can color the border, you can decorate it. Yes, Agham, you want to ask something? What happened? What you're asking? Your voice is not coming clear to me. Ask. Marks, you are asking about marks? Yes, of course, of course, of course. Okay. So make sure you do it very neatly and very good work you do. All of you. All right. Anything else you want to ask about the sketch pens you were asking in the group? So yes, you can use any color sketch pen. You can use glitter pens. You can use decorative materials, but make sure the work is neat. Okay. The project should look like project. It should not be very hodgepodge and very dirty thing. It should be a very neat, Class 5 standard project. Don't make a project of class 1 standard. Class 5, it should look like less. Yes, you all are mature, you all are class 5 standard children, so make it like that only. Clear? So, anything else you want to ask? Or shall I send you the PDF right now? PDF? You want to see the PDF? What you have to write and how you have to do? Okay, okay then. Okay, I'm sending you the PDF. And from today itself, you start working on your projects. Now, next class is your Hindi class, if I'm not wrong. Next class is your Hindi class. After Hindi class, we are going, yes, Manvi. I'm saying, yes, I'm saying I'm sending the PDF. You go through it, maths PDF. You have to stick the picture that is there in the PDF. You have to write what is written in the PDF. Still, if any space is left, then you can add on from your own creativity. Is that clear to everybody? Now I'm sending you the PDF. Go through it very carefully.